Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Dr. Joseph from Christianity School of Management. Today we are going to see a text function in Excel. Text functions are those functions which could be used on a text data. So today for this session, I am going to type I love India. In this sentence, we have three words, and I want to convert each and every letter in this sentence into uppercase or into capital letters or into block letters. So how do you do that in Excel? So to do that in Excel, we have a function called as upper. So this is a text function. So I need to type the keyword upper followed by the cell that has the text input, press enter. So you could see here each and every letter in the text input in that particular sentence is converted into uppercase or into capital letters. Now can I convert each and every letter into small letters or into lowercase? By now you would have guessed, yes, we have a function and the function is lower. The keyword is lower here, open bracket. Select the cell that carries your input, text input, enter. And you could see here each and every letter in the text is converted into the lowercase. Can we do something else? I want to convert the first letter of each and every word here into uppercase, but then to retain the other letters in lowercase. Is there a way to do it? Yes, of course. We need to use a function called proper. Open bracket, select the cell which you wanted to convert it into the required format, and now you could see the first letters of the three words are converted into uppercase, whereas the other letters are retained in lowercase. So we have learned three functions today. All three are text functions. Upper function to convert the text data into capital letters or uppercase, lower text function to convert the text into lowercase or into small letters, and a proper text function to convert the first letter of each and every word in your text input into uppercase and to retain the other letters in small letters. That's all, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining this video. Please like this video and share it to others. Let everyone learn Excel and excel in their life. Thank you so much. Meet you once again in yet another video. Bye bye.